Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Software Engineering. I'm Zhang Shuang from Software College, Northeastern University. Today, we are going to learn maintenance. Maintenance is necessary. Once the target software system is developed and delivered to the client and users, the software system enters the phase of maintenance. So, any change to any component of the product, including documentation, after it has passed the acceptance test, is delivered to the client and users, will belong to maintenance. The question is, why is maintenance necessary? Let's look at this pie diagram. From this diagram, we can see that there are kind of maintenance. So we find that this diagram tells us that 17.5% of maintenance will be corrective maintenance. 65% will be perfective maintenance, and 18% maintenance will be adaptive maintenance, and 4% will be the others. So, what is corrective maintenance? Corrective maintenance means to correct resistant faults. The faults may lie in specifications, or design, or implementation, or documentation, or any other types of faults. Actually, only 17.5% of maintenance belong to corrective maintenance on average. So that means actually it's less than we expected. Well, more than half maintenance will be perfective maintenance. Perfective maintenance means that the client requires changes to improve product effectiveness, such as adding additional functionalities, or making product run faster, or improve maintainability. So that means try to make the software system better. It really takes more than half of the total maintenance. Well, adaptive maintenance. Adaptive maintenance means the software system responds to changes in environment in which product operates. Let's say the software system is to port it to new compiler, or new operating system, or some new hardware. So that means the software system must change according to the new software system or new hardware environment. Well, sometimes the text code may change. So if anything related with text code inside the system, it will need maintenance, adaptive maintenance. Sometimes, let's say, the zip code will also change. So all such kind of things will belong to adaptive maintenance. On average, 18% of maintenance will be adaptive maintenance. Okay, so from previous discussion, we find that sometimes the software system will need corrective maintenance for the faults that have been missed during acceptance testing. Well, the fault may be the code fault, or maybe the documentation fault. Most of the time, the software system is maintained to achieve better operational. So that means to make the software system behave better is called perfective maintenance. And some other times, the software system also needs adaptive maintenance to adapt to new software or hardware environment, or maybe some new social rules, right? Okay, so we find that maintenance will be very necessary. It's unavoidable. And it's also very important to make sure that the software system can continue provide good service for the users and clients. Okay, so much for this lecture.